Hey everybody, Brian here from quantlabs.net. Okay, today is July 1st. So I thought I would do a test on one of the calls that my system came up with about 2 weeks ago in concerns with insurance as a sector to invest into. I just want to show you the results. It's not bad. It was in around June 10th, so maybe here. As you can see, it bottomed out perfectly, if that was the exact date, but it was damn close. This blue line is the GSP, which is the S&P 500. These are the ETFs that are suggested by a website called etfdb.com. These are the ones with their volumes, or sorry, total assets. So when you look at these, the timing not only was really good, but the performance, but you know, part of my system, what it does is just identify that you have a bottoming process, and it's just suggesting that this is a sector to watch. So the key is that the timing was pretty good. And these ETFs, if I was to go in, you know, I would have made, if I did this one, the KWP, which is the smaller one, this one right here, would have been a nice little movement, because here, if we're down 1.65, it's up 6.7. You would have already had probably a 7 or 8% differential on just if you were to play the GSP or the S&P 500 and this particular one. The other ones are okay, but if you hung on to that trade for a certain time, which I'll show in the next week or 2 weeks, on the exiting with a stop loss that's targeted and automatically calculated, you could possibly maximize your opportunity here. So the key of this is that the bottoming process to identify this, probably luck, but so far this looks good, and I'm going to be continuing tracking other things in the market generally, as right now I'm sitting on cash, so this kind of raises my confidence in this system. And again, we're not talking about stocks here, we're talking about ETFs. I've already talked in a video about a week ago why I prefer ETF versus stock. Obviously the ETF is less volatile, which means it's a smoother curve and less stress when you're watching it. So just wanted to highlight that. On the timing of this is good. Performance on what it chooses is okay, but something to be very cognizant of, and hopefully I'll be doing a series of videos on YouTube, getting Google Hangouts for my meetup groups over the next couple of weeks to highlight how this system works. Okay, so hopefully you like what you see. Talk to you later.